Hi, my name is Bob Ferguson. I'm one of BELDEN's regional sales engineers for a broadcast AV group. We're at the InfoComm show and we're showing our new active optical HDMI assemblies. These are HDMI assemblies with active optical components to go longer distances with the signal. We have two versions of the product that we're showing. We have a 10 gigabit version, which is capable of showing 4K 60 hertz at 420, and we have an 18 gigabit version, which is capable of showing 4K 60 at 444. These assemblies are available in 10 to 100 meter lengths. They support HDCP 2.0 and HDR with EDI and CT HDB support within these product sets. They are platinum rated, they're RoHS compliant as well. They have the option for optional USB power support, but most active components have enough power to be able to power the assemblies as shown in both the demo here today. For critical installations where you need to be able to pull one HDMI assembly to another one, these are a great solution within BELDEN's product offering to be able to meet that need. Thanks for visiting BELDEN's booth today. You can visit us at www.belden.com, and we appreciate you stopping by.